Imagine this, you get up in the morning and reach office. There you find out that a new colleague has joined your team. But to your surprise, it's not a human. In fact, it's a virtual employee. These virtual employees are programmed to work alongside humans or maybe even replace them. Here's the catch. These AI agents would perform tasks automatically, reducing the need for human input. But with all the news out, should you be worried? What are these virtual employees and are they coming for your jobs? Let's first understand. What are virtual employees? They are AI agents, bots running for artificial intelligence, and like we mentioned earlier, they are programmed to work alongside humans. Virtual employees are ready to join you as early as 2025. I am not saying this. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, is. Altman has predicted that our workplaces will be home to virtual employees or AI agents by the end of 2025, much sooner than expected. In fact, if you didn't know, Microsoft, the main investor in OpenAI, that is the company behind ChatGPT, has already introduced AI agents. McKinsey, a major consulting firm, is one of the early adopters. Want to schedule a meeting or maybe respond to client inquiries? AI agents have got you. McKinsey is already using AI agents to help with all of this. According to McKinsey, by 2030, as much as 30% of the work hours in the US could be automated, thanks to AI agents. In future, these AI agents might also be able to handle new client inquiries, manage follow-up meetings, and perform other administrative tasks. The firm is already working on this. This could free up employees to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. OpenAI is also preparing to launch its own AI agent called the Operator, which will be capable of performing tasks on behalf of its users. This includes tasks like writing computer codes or booking travel arrangements. Other companies are also developing similar AI tools. Let's take Microsoft for example. It has already launched its Copilot Studio project, while the AI company Anthropic has introduced Cloud 3.5 Sonnet AI model. These AI systems are capable of actions such as moving a mouse cursor and typing text, typically like how humans would interact with a computer. In his blog, Sam Altman mentioned that OpenAI is now focused on creating artificial general intelligence, which refers to an AI system that are more intelligent than humans in many areas. The company is now setting its sight on developing super intelligence, which would be far more advanced and capable than the current AI system. Super intelligent AI could dramatically speed up scientific discoveries and innovations, leading to more prosperity and abundance across the globe. Altman believes that with super intelligence, humanity could be able to solve problems much faster and more effectively than ever before. But should you be worried? And are they here to replace us? In some cases, yes. AI can impact nearly 300 million full-time jobs. It could also replace nearly 25% of work tasks in the US and Europe. Jobs like data entry, customer service, retail checkouts, translation, and many more could be replaced by AI, much sooner than later. Now, in fact, if we look around today, AI has already replaced some jobs in areas like basic accounting and data entry. However, it's not all bad news. The rise of AI could also lead to a creation of new jobs and overall productivity boom. The key challenge will be adapting to this change, finding ways to work alongside AI and exploring the new opportunities that it brings.